In this episode, we'll be taking a trip to the Pigeon Point Lighthouse off the California coast. Once again, we are setting out towards Half Moon Bay and then heading south on Highway 1. On our first stop, we'll be stopping at the Ritz-Carlton of Half Moon Bay. The hotel provides parking for public coastal access. In the back of the hotel, there are some spectacular views of the rough California coast. It looks like they're setting up for a wedding today. On our way to our next stop, we noticed something off the side of the road, so we decided to stop and check it out. This farm is being converted to a corn maze with lots of fun stuff for young children to check out. As we continued our journey, we looked for another beach to stop at. We have arrived at San Gregorio Beach, which was named after Pope Gregory I, aka Saint Gregory the Great. I decided to follow this bird to see where it was going. It was very windy here and wreaking havoc on the GoPro microphone. As we departed, we stopped to take a video of the San Gregorio Beach sign. Off we go, looking for more beaches on the way to the Pigeon Point Lighthouse. Next stop, Pomponio Beach. Pomponio is very nice with lots of interesting sandstone bluffs. The beach was named after Jose Pomponio Beach, a Bolinas Native American and outlaw. We head back to the car and set out to our next destination. This is Pescadero State Beach. Parts of this beach are rough with lots of rocks. But there are a few sandy areas in the northern area of the beach. The beach is located right off Highway 1 on the California coast. After being very careful to not trip over or fall off any rocks, we headed back to the car. At this point, we were getting a little hungry and decided to head into the town of Pescadero to get some snacks. The country bakery is very well known and always very busy. Since the deli was very busy, we decided to grab and go some fresh baked garlic sourdough bread. As we headed up the coast, we came across another interesting beach to stop at along the way. This is Bean Hollow State Beach. Known for its small pebbles and hollowed-out sandscapes. We just have a little bit further to go to get to the Pigeon Point Lighthouse. The lighthouse has been in desperate need of repairs. The California State Parks has been raising money over the last 20 years to repair the lighthouse. The state park has finally raised enough money and the repairs are now underway. The keeper's store is stocked full of snacks, clothes, and souvenirs. Next to the keeper's store is a small building with the lighthouses light bulb, which has been taken down and put on display. More information about the beaches we visited and the Pigeon Point Lighthouse will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.